We have our 3/4 canister injector, and I have mixed up the fertilizer. We're going to pour it into the canister. Now, this will probably not be enough, as this is only a quart pitcher, so we're going to have to add more. But once we add more to it and then connect it back to my water source, my plants will get fed that way. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're outside in the garden, and we're going to do our bi-monthly feeding of the plants, and I'm going to show you how we do it. Let's get started. So in this container, we have my go-to mixture of fertilizer. We have a general tomato fertilizer. We have bone meal, and we have blood meal. We have about 2/3 bone meal and maybe 1/4 of blood meal, and the rest the fertilizer. And if you've watched my channel before or are subscribed, you know that normally I just take it by hand and spread it around the plant. Today we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to use a scoop, so I don't feel like getting my hands dirty with the fertilizer. So we're going to spread it around and then rake it in somewhat. And we're going to do that to all of the plants, and then come back and do the liquid fertilizing. we have fertilized the plants with the granular fertilizer. We're here in the fruit area, and we're going to fertilize these now with the liquid fertilizer, Thrive. I mixed it in my watering can, a few drops, like 2 or 3 tablespoons, and just make sure it's mixed well. And we're going to pour it into my plants here. So we have hand fertilized rather, all of the fruit plants off to my left over here. And now we're going to mix the solution for fertilizing liquid with liquid fertilizer, the plants over here. So we have our 3/4 canister injector, and I have mixed up the fertilizer. We're going to pour it into the canister. Now, this will probably not be enough, as this is only a quart pitcher, so we're going to have to add more. But once we add more to it and then connect it back to my water source, my plants will get fed that way. We'll show you the end result in a minute. So we have the jug completely filled. We're going to go ahead and put the top back on it. And we're going to tighten everything down. And on this side, we have a hose that will come from my water source in, and we have a hose that will come that flows out from here to my garden. And this is how my plants get fertilized. Now, I have it on a fast sitting, so in about an hour and a half to 2 hours, the water or the solution in here will run clear, and that means that all of the fertilizer has been used. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this back, and then turn on the system and feed the plants. So I'm standing here looking at the drip system for this bed, and I can see the water coming out, so the plants are being fed, and we have accomplished what we wanted to do. I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did our bi-monthly feeding. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it, and it brought a smile to your face. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and I will reply. This is something, like I said, I do bi-monthly for every plant, excluding the trees, the fruit trees. The fruit trees get once a month. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.